Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do is create a project at the Spring Initializer website. Here we'll select Maven, different languages here. I'll choose Java. The one thing I want to do is update the project metadata for group and artifact. So for the group, I'll give com.lovetocode.springboot. And for the artifact ID, I'll give Thymeleaf demo. I'll move over here for dependencies. I'll start off by giving the web dependency. I'll also give the Thymeleaf dependency. And I'll also put in dev tools just so I can take advantage of that automatic restart. Okay, so make sure these appear here on your screen. And then from there, just go ahead and generate the project. So I'll just kind of move over to my file system. And I'll move into my downloads directory here. And I'll simply unzip the file. And I'll also copy this folder and I'll move it to a different location. Just swing over to my Love to Code directory. I'll just drop it in here in the dev Spring Boot. Again, you can place it anywhere you'd like on your file system. And I'll create a new folder here. And then I'll simply rename this demo folder. Now let's go ahead and open this in IntelliJ. So the first thing I want to do is verify some information in the pom.xml file. So I'll go ahead and open up this file. I'll expand the window. And I'll move down here and I'll just verify the dependencies that were added. Okay, so in this section, we can see that they've added the Thymeleaf support using that Spring Boot Starter Thymeleaf. So this is great. So we're kind of good to go here.